Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to rigify in Blender only ways. Generate a meta rig, place bones to match the mesh, and ensure bone rolls are consistent before you proceed. Apply transforms on the mesh and armature, mirror any bones you placed on one side, then use the Generate Rig button to create the control rig. Test basic poses, fix deform weights, and continue refining until the mesh deforms cleanly and predictably. To prepare your mesh, start by applying location, rotation, and scale so the rig behaves predictably. Clean up topology and remove stray vertices, then recalculate normals so faces point outward for consistent skinning. Create clear vertex groups for important regions like torso and limbs to streamline weight transfer. Keep the mesh centered on the origin and align to the rig for easier mirroring and symmetry during the rig generation process. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more Blender content and faster tips. Quick recommendation: I keep comfy feet while animating, so I use darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, which really helps during long sessions. Check the description for the product link and other deals if you want to pick some up. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Place each meta-rig bone inside the corresponding limb and verify symmetry by checking orthographic views. Once placement looks correct, generate the final rig and parent the mesh using automatic weights to get a quick bind. Test poses like a T-pose, crouch, and shoulder rotations to reveal problem areas. Use weight painting to smooth transitions, lock unwanted bones during testing, and iterate until your character moves naturally without visible distortions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.